How to add Replit project to GitHub. Follow these instructions. Log into your Replit account and open the specific project you want to upload to GitHub. Make sure your project is ready for version control operations. On the left sidebar, click the Version Control icon to open Git Integration Tools, where you can link your GitHub repository and manage commits. Connect your GitHub account by following prompts to authorize Replit, allowing it to access your repository securely for pushing code changes. Choose whether to create a new GitHub repository directly through Replit or link an existing repository where you want to push your Replit project. Use the version control panel to stage the files you want included in your commit, ensuring all changes you want pushed are properly selected. Thank you for watching.